Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to allow specific contacts to see your phone number on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. This quick guide will help you control your privacy and decide exactly who can access your number. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the three lines. This will open a side menu with several options. Next, go ahead and select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click on Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy preferences are located, including options for your profile photo, last seen status, and your phone number visibility. Now, find and click on Phone Number. You'll see different visibility options like Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. To limit visibility to only your contacts, choose My Contacts. This setting ensures that only the people saved in your contacts list can view your phone number. But here's the real magic of this update. You can now customize which contacts are specifically allowed to see your number. To do that, click on Add Users next to Always Share With. A list of your Telegram contacts will appear. Simply select the people you want to give access to your number. This could be close friends, family, or anyone you trust. Once you've chosen them, click Save to apply the changes. Telegram may ask you to confirm the step. Go ahead and confirm. And that's it. Your chosen contacts can now see your phone number while others cannot. This feature is perfect for maintaining your privacy while still staying connected with the people who matter most. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Telegram tips and tutorials.